Welcome to Product Critique. In this video, we're diving into what we believe is the best washer-dryer combo unit ventless on the market today. The Euhomy portable dryer with exhaust hose. Compact, powerful, and cleverly designed, this dryer is a game-changer for anyone short on space but big on laundry needs. Let's start with what makes the Euhomy portable dryer a standout. Right away, its size strikes the perfect balance between compact and capable. Measuring just 27 by 24 by 18 inches and weighing a little over 50 pounds, this machine fits snugly in small apartments, RVs, dorms, or even gyms. Despite its compact footprint, it offers a generous 2.65 cubic feet of drum space and can dry up to 9 pounds of clothes, or up to 14.4 pounds if you're loading it with wet clothes straight out of the washer. Powering this unit is a 1400-watt heating element, strong enough to dry clothes quickly but efficient enough to keep energy use reasonable. And yes, it's ventless, meaning you don't need to worry about complicated external venting systems. It comes with an exhaust hose and can be easily mounted on a wall, placed on a level floor, or even perched on a shelf. It plugs right into a standard 120-volt outlet, so no special setup required. Now let's talk about its 4 drying functions. First, the strong dry mode, indicated by a red light, is ideal for bulky items like jeans and towels. Intelligent mode, marked by a white light, is more hands-off. The dryer automatically adjusts the time and temperature to suit the load. The blue light stands for eco mode, the most energy-saving of the bunch. It uses a humidity sensor to gauge when clothes are dry, so you're not wasting electricity. And finally, there's the normal dry mode, glowing green, which combines drying and a mild ironing function, perfect for your everyday clothing. Inside the drum is where the magic continues. The stainless steel liner isn't just durable, it also reduces wrinkles and prevents clothes from knotting together. Combine that with a multi-layer filtration system that captures lint and pet hair, and you get clothes that come out feeling fresh, soft, and fluffier than ever. Design-wise, Euhomy hasn't missed a beat. It's got concave carry handles on both sides, making it easy to move. The door opens up to 105 degrees for hassle-free loading and unloading. Plus, there's a transparent window so you can keep an eye on your laundry mid-cycle. If you need to tweak your settings, just hit the pause button and adjust away on the intuitive LCD touch panel. Everything you need is included in the box, from hanging brackets and spacers to screws and an exhaust connector. It's even ETL and DOE certified for safety and energy efficiency, and backed by a 1-year warranty. Whether you live in a tight city apartment or want something compact for your RV or dorm, the Euhomy portable dryer delivers convenience, versatility, and quality in one sleek package. That's it for today's review. If you're in the market for a powerful, space-saving laundry solution, this unit is more than worth a look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss another product critique. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay clean and stay efficient.